very first time doing this type of tutorial, but was so impressed that we wanted to show you how to do this yourselves. It's great if you're a single mom, trying to save on your fuel costs or electricity. It's definitely cheaper to use than running a slow cooker and baking your dinner all day. Our master chef, Ella, is going to demonstrate how to make rice. And what's really wonderful about this is it uses 77% less electricity and 77% less fuel, whether that's electricity, propane, or even if you're in a shift environment and you're cooking on a wood outside with the fire, or on a wood stove, or even what do you call that? The little portable little ovens that you can make that also use fuel. You use 77% less fuel to make rice this way. So let's get Ella to show us how to make this rice. Ella, go ahead and pour the water in. Oh, thank you. That's 2 cups of water and 1 cup of rice. So you're going to bring the rice to a boil and cook it an additional 5 minutes.
That's a long time.
I know.
While it's cooking, I can go play.
That's right. You can do all kinds of things while your dinner is cooking. You don't have to stand and cook it. And that's the good part. Now, as you can see, we are removing the glass oven-safe container. So we can pour the boiling water and rice into this container. We want to keep it hot as possible. This is going to take about 2 hours to cook in without electricity.
Where's the chicken?
It's already cooking in the big one. And we got this one and the little one. So.
I would eat it when is it done?
Whoops, I spilled some water. Boy, nothing's ever perfect like it is on those food video channels, you know?
Oh, why?
And this is the Japanese jasmine rice, I believe is the name of it. I love it. It tastes great. So now, in order to keep the heat in and to keep from burning myself later, we are putting the foil on top. It's going to take 2 hours. After we put the rice in here, Ella, it's going to take 2 hours.
I'm going to put this on, and then we're going to zip it.
After we zip it and everything, then it takes 2 hours. And that gives you a long time to play, or for Grandma to sew, or anything we want to do. So now, as you can see, we have the rice all cooked. It's put in its oven-safe container, and it has the foil on top. I want to keep it as insulated as possible. So I'm going to take and throw this into this end, like that hot pad in, and this hot pad in at the other side. And this way, the heat is going to surround the rice, and the rice will be ready in approximately 1.5 hours to 2 hours. On top of the rice, I am going to put the 2 pot holders, like so. Do you see that?
Yeah.
And we're going to lay this towel down right on top of that. Now, we have a pillow that we're going to put on top as well to keep everything in and secured. We bring the lid in. thank you, Ella. You're a great help. Can you zip zippers?
You can do this.
Well, it's a little difficult for Grandma, too. Here, now pull it.
But this is cool.
Grandma got it. It's been a couple hours. We are so excited to find out if our rice actually cooked. So earlier we packed it in our bag, and now it's time for the unveiling. So let's see if our rice really did cook in this camping bag. It's an insulated bag. And Ella, are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Very good. It's almost undone. Here is the moment we've all been waiting for. Be careful. Oh, I feel heat. I feel heat down here. So, as you remember, we had packed towels and everything to keep the heat inside. Ella, feel the top of that. Is that warm?
Yeah.
It is.
Raise my hand.
It's almost hot, huh? Now we're lifting our rice out of the container. Why don't I set it down right here, and we shall see if we actually have cooked, fluffy rice. Well, I think you can see the rice is wonderful, and it's hot. It's warm, almost too hot to hold. Here's the rice. Ella, would you like to try some rice? Now, again, the rice that we used was actually sticky rice. It's a Japanese sticky rice, and it's fluffy, and it's cooked, and it's sticking to the spoon. Here, Ella, let me get you a spoon and let you taste that and see if it's cooked. This is the perfect rice.
Is it cooked?
Mm-hmm.
Is the rice
Nice and
cooked?
soft?
Yeah.
Is it soft enough to eat? I think we have an amazing success, everybody. And remember, we only cooked this, brought the rice to a boil on the stove, and actually boiled it for 5 minutes. Wrapped it in the insulated bag and put towels around it and anything to insulate. So it could have been towels, it could have been a blanket, just about anything to keep the heat inside. And our raw rice is now ready to serve with our dinner. I think we had a success, don't you?
Yeah.
Yes.
Let's go eat.
Let's go eat. Bye-bye, everybody.
Okay.
And Ella, the master chef, and I, Susan Norgren, want to say thank you for watching our video, and we hope you too will have as much fun discovering how to use natural ways of cooking without a lot of fuel. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Hmm.
Do I still have my lipstick on, the eyeshadow on?
Your eyeshadow is still on, but oh, we need a little bit of lipstick, huh? Okay.
Where you
She
going?
needs her lipstick on. We got to get a lipstick on. Ella reminded me for video.
Entertainment.
Entertainment, entertainment. Hey, Ella, what do you got to say?
Hi. Say hi. This is Ella.
Okay, open your mouth. Go. Okay, look at Grandma. Getting our Miss Ella all ready for a wonderful video. The star always has to look great. and you do.